Hello everybody, as you can see I have relief painted the logo and fire decoration, I guess. And I have also tested for curing purposes if these clamps will hold my Woodstove glass, which I will just install. Let's hope it will last. Okay, this is the first lighting with the new glass, with the new gasket. I've used only 4 drops of silicone and let's see how it performs. It looks like there's absolutely nothing, but I assure you there is. So far so good. It literally looks like there is absolutely nothing. So far I'm very happy. So let's see the gasification. There it is. I guess that was the problem. I had way too little slots, and I will definitely thin the pipe down, so it's gonna be even more efficient because it's not gonna act as a heat sink. Look at all these flames. There's only embers down there, and it's only gas that's being ignited. I kept fiddling with it just to see how she runs, and she runs fine. I forgot to mention I put the pipe cap on. Here you can see the primary air supply slightly open and the secondary air supply fully open. Is it beautiful? Yes. Is it efficient? Probably not.